Good evening, friends. Today we will discuss the topic that is geography topic, geophysical phenomena, that is tornado. Tornado. Other name is twisters. Twisters. Tornadoes, nothing but twisters. Today we will discuss what is this tornado and how it forms and why it is frequently occurring in the Gulf of Mexico areas. Today we will discuss that one. The twister or the tornado is a geophysical phenomena, most destructive weather phenomena, violently air circulation from thunderstorm to the ground. This is the vertical air column circulating between the thunderstorm to the ground. Okay, why it forms, how it forms means near the Gulf of Mexico, warm moist air rises. Okay, when warm moist air rises from the Canadian and Rocky areas, cold and dry air coming. When these both airs are collides, means when the warm moisture air is collide with cold and dry air, atmospheric instability occurs. Atmospheric instability occurs. Because of this, as well as the wind shear also available in the Gulf of Mexico region. Wind shear means when we are going to the height altitude, the wind speed and direction will change. Because of that, air masses start circulating. Okay, which gives the formation of tornado, that vertical column air extending circulating motion. Okay, what happened here, the first thing is why these tornadoes are forming. First one is warm moisture air is coming from the Gulf of Mexico, and second one is when it is colliding with the cold dry air which is coming from the Canadian areas, that atmospheric instability is happening. Along with this, wind speed also will be there. Wind shear means wind speed and direction will be changes when we are going to the height altitude conditions. Because of this, air masses start circulating. It is called a wind shear. Okay, now the tornadoes are formed. How it is? Along with the big supercell thunderstorms. Supercell thunderstorms. When the Gulf of Mexico, the tornadoes are occurring frequently, it is called tornado LA. This is the one of the conclusion. Okay, this is about the tornadoes. Thank you.